I I put the ants in the sugar. I ate all the sugar and you're telling me I just ate ants? Where the Okay, I cannot shout like that. Where the hell is the oil? Then, bro, where's the ants? Let me do this. Who put the ants in the damn flour? I need sugar. Who ate it? It's a fairy one. We make a cake. How would you do that? Wait. I accidentally cooked Grandma. Oh my god, why are they yelling? Lawson said. Where is the eggs? I was to crack it and I accidentally burned the oven. Help, I just ate all chocolate chips. What do I do? Why? What's wrong with you? I killed Larry. Guys, who killed Larry? Why do you do that? Oops, I ate the oven. It's so hot. What is wrong with you? And where milk to make a cake? Where milk? Let me just be quiet. There's a cockroach in the good. Guys, I'm in the oven. Wait, there's an ant in? Wait, there's ants in the sugar? Hey, ant. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Can you run that one back one more time? I'm sorry. Wait, this down. I'm sorry, I ate the toilet. Wait. I put acid instead of grain frosting. Help, I can't turn the oven on. Guys, I brought my dog. It doesn't bite. Don't worry. Meow, meow, meow. You know we don't have a... That's our toilet.